Hello, Core 102. Today I'm going to show you how to view your feedback in D2L. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click Core 102, and then you're going to want to click either grades or assignments. Either way, you can see the feedback in either. So, I'm going to use the pie paragraph. So, you see right here on the side, it'll say feedback. So you click read, and there are two types of feedback in D2L. You will receive the written feedback and then the inline feedback. So the written feedback is essentially this. One of the professors or one of the graduate students will put tips right here on how to improve your paper. They will also tell you what you need to fix and how to make your paper better. So it is important that you do read this. And the next part that you need to pay attention to is the rubric. So right here, this will tell you what areas you need to work on. So for example, I need to work on the pie paragraphs. I also could do better on knowledge and opinion and my arguments. And I could also do better on my documentation and citing style. So it is important that you do read this rubric so you can see where you need to improve and how to improve your paper. The second, or technically the third thing, is the inline feedback. So this is super helpful. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to click view inline feedback, and then you're going to want to roll over these little comment boxes, and they're going to tell you how to make your paper better or how to broaden your paper. So these are super important to pay attention to. Make sure that you read all of them, because it is easy to miss one. So make sure that you do read throughout all these to see what you can and cannot, or what you can fix. So, yeah. So pretty much that's how you see feedback in D2L. I hope that this helped. Like I said, I hope you guys are in good health, and I do wish everyone the best of luck on the final paper. And I hope this helps. So, thank you.